often feel confused and uneducated. Earthquakes are reminders of the need for preparedness and to impotence being ready for any emergency. So, we are students from Kapalonga Parochial School here to inform you on what to do before, during, and after an earthquake.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Visitor!
Bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako si Jason Junior Desmo, DFP from the Municipality of Kapalonga. Nandito ako at aasahan upang isulong sa inyo ang earthquake risk. Yun sa inyo ang nakakalam kung anong dapat gawin before the earthquake. Ikaw.
Aalamin ko ang aking dapat gawin kapag nakakaranas ng lindol.
You can go to the public library and find books of disaster, or we can serve them to the internet. Before an earthquake, people should know what to do when an earthquake strikes.
Tama. Paano kung habang nililindol?
Gagawin na po ang knock over home.
Tama. I-demonstrate ko sa inyo ang drop, cover, and hold. Drop, cover, and hold. Sige nga mga bata, gawin nga natin. Tayo. Drop, cover, and hold. Stand, you will see. Now, let's move on to after. Pagkatapos ng lindol.
You can feel if the ground is still shaking, you will not need to roll the whole space.
Okay, very good. You will now see. That's all, children. I hope you learned what to do before, during, after an earthquake. That's all, children. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye, Visitor!
You will now sit.
When you feel the surroundings are calm, you can stand up and go to a safe place. But before we leave our house or our classroom, just make sure the switch is off. And make sure that you'll go to an open spot, far from walls or anything that may fall. Hold kneeling for a few minutes to ensure your safety.